So you want to earn free money online doing nothing and without investments? Then watch this video till the end. There are many ways you can earn money online, but in this video we will use HoneyGain. It is available for both computer and Android phones. HoneyGain is a free program to earn passive income. It is also available for Android phones in case you don't have a computer. It is 100% legit and not fake. It will rent or share your unused internet bandwidth for others as VPN or proxy server. All you have to do is just keep your computer running. It will not use too much computer power. Not will it heat up your computer. To get started, open your favorite browser and go to honeygain.com. Or alternatively use the referral link in description to make your account and get free $5. Now we will make an account using referral link in description to get free $5. Once you had make your account, download HoneyGain for your current operating system to start earning money and confirm your email. Once completed, now open installation file to install the program. After installation, accept the terms of use and log into your HoneyGain account. Let it run in background and it will earn free money for you. When you will start your computer, it will automatically start in background without slowing down your computer. For Android phones, make sure you are seeing this in notification area. Otherwise, app is not running in background. To see your earning, click on Go to Dashboard and you will be able to see all your earnings. Dashboard is just to see your earning. To earn free money, you need to download the program. To withdraw your money, you first need to earn at least $20. $5 is already added, so you only need to wait for $15 more. There are two withdraw methods in HoneyGain. First is PayPal and second is Bitcoin cryptocurrency. To withdraw using Bitcoin, you need to create your account in Coinbase.com or any other crypto wallet or exchange website. There are few ways to increase your earnings in HoneyGain. First of all, you could open your HoneyGain account on multiple devices with different networks. It will definitely increase your earning. Secondly, you could try HoneyGain referral program by inviting others to HoneyGain using your link. You will be rewarded with 10% of their daily earning, not from their money. So don't worry, all they earn will be there. The last way to get most out of HoneyGain is to visit HoneyGain dashboard website daily, and you will find daily reward like this. So open them daily. If you need any help, then feel free to comment down below or join our WhatsApp group, link in the description for any further help. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe to learn more earning ways and stay tuned.